Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if LENOVO Tab P12 comes with a case inside of the box. Here's the LENOVO Tab P12 box, and let's open it to see if there's a case inside. The first thing we see is the tablet. Let's take it out. It doesn't have a case on it, so under it we get these two boxes. In the first one is charging brick and charging cable, and in the second one is a pencil, documentation, SD card tray opener and a pencil replacement tip. So, as you can see, there's no case inside. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.